Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the weekly market forecast for the week of July 27, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and give out a long-term stock price direction for the swing trade so that they can make a bigger profit potential. Last week, the market in correction cycle, but it still continued to hold up at the support level, which we're going to go over in a little bit. But even though we see a record of coronavirus case stick up and the jobless claim report also stick up, and right now, $1 trillion on the stimulus fund is still under the debate, and we still target on the August. And the new home sale was also up the 13.8% last week. The only bad news is on the US-China tension on closing a consulate office in Houston, Texas. That got the market a little bit jittery. Well, but the market will do whatever it wants to do. At the trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. If you learn how to read the price chart by using modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology, so you can see where the market and you can predict it where it will go to. This is the only technical skill that you should learn so that you can manage your own financial future like 401k and IRA account. As Stock Navigator, we will help you to understand how to use modern technical analysis in trading, but we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can see how the price action in real time so that you can survive in this volatile market. This week, we will continue with the earning report. The market will move faster and more volatile. And let's take a look on the couple index to see where we're at right now. So as you can see here, this is the SPY chart. So the last couple of days, the market is after they be able to break out of the resistance on the June 8th, and then they pull back and retest the level that have been fighting very hard. So they come back and retest. So the important thing here, the market needs to hold up at this level and be able to put it back up. As you can see here in the shorter time frame, the market come down, and then the market is able to break out this level. Now they pull back down, so this level will become a strong resistance here. And you can see here right now they pull back down. They are right at support. As long as they can hold up at this support, and if tomorrow, if the market be able to go above 223, which is the level of resistance before, the market will be more bullish next week. But if they drop below this level here, it means that more bearish to come in for next week. So let's see where the market is going to open on Monday, so we can see, and we will inform you for the next coming days so that you can see where the market is heading to. So if you look at um, the E-mini future, you can see that the market also hold up at this level of support right now. This is an important level here. So if they can hold up here, they can bow back here, but we have a lot of resistance here, and then we can see where the market is heading to next. But if they drop below here, we will see more downside. And the Dow, it also it put it down right now. They at the support, so this level of support needs to be whole in the market to bow back up and go to the upside. And the NQ have been in the correction for since July 20. So you can see that continue to put back down. So they have a support here. So in order for them to get back, they need to get above here and get back here and retest the resistance up there. And the Russell 2000 is also in the correction cycle. As you can see here, they continue here in the downside, and then they have some support here. So overall trend is still short-term bearish. So for all of the indexes, so we have to be a little bit careful in the upside. And gold it continue to head up to the upside after they break out the flat pattern here, and they gain more momentum. They have some resistance here, and the momentum is still upside, as you can see. So still stick with the upside until they it's a little bit extended at this moment. So if you are in the long on gold, you have to be a little bit careful also. And the oil it still goes sideways. They are in the correction, but technically they still hold up very well at this level. If they break the downtrend line here, they will push back up. If they break below here, they will have more correction. And the euro is still bullish since last week. It continued in the upside, as you can see here, but they are right at the resistance at the extended level here. So let's see, are they able to continue to go higher, or they will give up here and have some correction? And the bond, they have a trouble to break through the resistance here. So they tested a couple of times, they couldn't punch through. So it seems like they are losing momentum. If they're losing momentum, they'll push back down first before we can see where they can go. And the Bitcoin it gained momentum after the breakout of downtrend line in last week and continue to put it higher. So you see that every time they pull back, the buyer tap in and continue to push them up to tap the probably 10,000 level up there very soon. Um, so if you are a a swing trader, and you can see that right now the banking is gaining momentum. So a couple independent bank like IBTX, you can see that they try to get up, they try to build a base, and if they're able to get out of this area here, more the bull side will coming in, and you can see it's some of the bank name. Uh, FBK, that's another one. It also tried to gain the momentum since last week. So you can see a lot of bank sector, the one that fall behind, now they try to catch up and put it up to the upside. And the transportation is still doing well, as you can see beside the FedEx, UBS, and uh, and and it's still doing well. Okay, and some of the stock on the cosmetic product and those kind of stuff, and they still doing very well. And you can see a lot of stock in for the home improvement. They also gain momentum for people at home, so they put more money to fix their backyard, their swimming pool. So those stocks continue to gain the momentum in the upside. So this is all I have for you for next week, and then let's see how the market lay out, and then we will inform you every day so that you can see. And if you like what I'm doing here for you every week, every day, please give me a thumb up and sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will alert you so you can take a look to see where the market heading to. And if you would like to learn how to trade, how to understand the financial market, how to make some extra daily income as well as a longer term investment, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.